Basic example. Okay, list comprehension is simpler here, but this is not where senior developers care. Real reason. In real projects, data goes through multiple steps. Example. With list comprehensions, okay, multiple loops, multiple lists. With map, less memory duplications, more pipeline style. Key idea. Senior developers think in pipeline, not loops. Each function becomes reusable. Each step becomes independent. That's why map fits better in large systems. Use list comprehensions when code is simple. Use map when you build app pipeline. That's the real difference. Subscribe for more Python secrets.